Honestly, like, it's too humid for my bangs. Hey you guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Today we're doing a full face drugstore tutorial on a simple but beautiful look. If you like this video, like it, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. Comment below if you never want to hear me talk again. Cheers. So I did go out today. It is currently 10:30 and I was a normal human and got up before 11. So I have my eyebrows done. You can't see them because of my bangs, but they look fire. I'm already wearing moisturizer, sunscreen. Okay, let's begin. I'm gonna start by priming my face with the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. This is the full size, like the big size, so it's $10. I haven't done a full face in ages. You know, if you watch my videos, the Kiko Bright Lift Serum, this is technically drugstore. So sorry there wasn't a video last week. I have been working full-time and then on my day off I was like depressed, so I didn't film. I refuse to be one of those YouTubers who makes like 5 videos and then like goes away for like 6 months and then posts and like, why I quit YouTube, and then does 2 videos and then quits again, because like I'm not about that. This is a commitment. I'm committed. Let's go in with foundation. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. This foundation is $6 and the best foundation I've ever used. Honestly, I haven't worn foundation in so long, this is probably like not good anymore. Alright, I'm just gonna blend it out with a beauty blender. Make it work, designers. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, you know, a classic. Now I'm gonna contour, which I never do. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. I got this on clearance for $2.99 at Ulta, so a little goes a long way. I'm not gonna contour my forehead because you can't see it. Okay, we contoured, BB. Okay, one of the products that's not drugstore, you guys know I be using the Shade and Light palette for powder, mostly because it's the only one I have. I had it before Kat Von D was, I knew Kat Von D was problematic. Swipe powder on where it needs to go. The Coty Airspun, I love that powder. I hate the smell. But they used to have an unscented one, but I can't find it anywhere. I don't know if they make it anymore. The other not drugstore thing is my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, the mini one. Although, pretty sure I got this at TJ Maxx for like $6. So, kind of drugstore. And it's lasted me a long time. Let's just go straight into eyeshadow. So, I bought this a while back and I really like it. It's the Maybelline Lemonade Craze and it's so pretty. It's like all the colors I wear, except wish there was a good orange in here. And what we're gonna do for the eyes is what I did basically from everyday senior year, everyday freshman year of college, and then like halfway through sophomore year. I did like a whole ass face. I wore false lashes every day. Like freshman year of college, I wore false lashes every day. I was on crack, so. but it's like 2 or 3 colors, easy, simple. We're just gonna jump right into it. Philip DeFranco, coming for your brand. This is a stained brush. All of my brushes are stained pink. I'm gonna go into this color, Coral Punch, and just swirl it in, tap it off, and go right into the crease. All over. Actually, I haven't planned this out. We're just going as I see fit. And then this is a ColourPop E9 brush. I don't know what that means. So I would basically, when I do like a whole ass face, I'm going for the most impact with the least amount of effort. So now I'm gonna go in with the Luxie 231 brush. This is my favorite brush. You can do this with whatever brush you were using before, because I know I used to just use the same brush and I would do the same look every day. But I'm going in to Ice Pop, which is this pretty pinky color, and just up in the crease. I want to start in the outer crease and then work my way in, because that's where most of the product's gonna be, on the outer crease. And just work with your eye shape, homies. That's it, that's the look. Just kidding. And then you're gonna go in with that darker color, and you can do this with oranges, blues, browns, whatever you want. Oh, we're working now in the outer V, so just bringing that down like this. And then if you fuck up, use your finger. Your finger's a good blender. Or like a clean brush is what most beauty gurus would say. But like, fuck that. Now just take it into the inner corner. So really like that hot pink is covering everything but this middle bit. We're going full pink today. I'm in the mood. So now that that's done, we're gonna put a pop of color in the center, because I'm a slut for a halo eye. So we have a flat shader brush. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna wet the brush. Now, go into a shiny color. I'm gonna go into Strawberry Lemonade and then just pop it on the center of the lid. A little thicker than I want it, because we're gonna blend it out. Now go back in to the outer V corner slash crease color slash inner corner color, and just blend those together. Just gonna go again a little bit. It's pretty. I'm gonna go back into the original Cool Punch and just mix that in the crease. Go under the eye, because I feel like I hate when people do full eyeshadow and then don't do anything under the eye, because it just doesn't look complete until you have a little bit down here. I'm gonna take a clean fluffy blending brush and just go on top. Just make sure it's all buffed out. And now my favorite part, the inner corner highlight. I'm gonna go back into this palette and I'm gonna mix the Strawberry Lemonade and the Main Squeeze color and put it in the inner corner. Once again, wet the brush. And then just pop it in the inner corner. Okay, next we're gonna do blush. We're gonna go in with the Burt's Bees Shy Pink. I'm gonna take a brush. I'm gonna swirl it around, and this shit has a lot of fallout, so we're gonna really get that on there, and then smile and start slow. And then I'm gonna do a little on the nose because I'm cute. Now I'm gonna highlight e.l.f. Baked Blush in Apricot Glow. Now you may have heard this blush. It was all the rage like a year and a half ago. Now the trick is, a lot of people bought it when like YouTubers were talking about it, and then they were like, it doesn't work. You need to like scrape the film off the top, because there was like a film on it. Just using a fan brush. I love it. So I have this hot pink eyeliner. Is it a little on the waterline? I don't think that made a difference. It's fine. Mascara. Yes, the Voluminous Feline Noir from L'Oreal. Also got this in clearance at Ulta. As you all come to know, I'm a cheap ass bitch. I'm also poor. I think this is real cute. I'm gonna do the lips now. This is the Jordana Easy Liner for Lips in Tawny color. This costs like $4, I want to say. I'm gonna top it with the Soap and Glory Pillow Plump XXL Lip Gloss. This is one of them tingling lip glosses. This one damn tingling lip glosses. And it definitely tingles. Like, straight facts. Was it no printer, just facts? What's that thing the kids are saying these days? Oh, I did my brows using the Essence Make Me Brow, you know, the $2.99 super product that everyone loves, that I love. It's my favorite brow gel. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Have a great week. Follow me on social media. Watch my last videos. Bye. You can't tell on camera, but my nose looks snatched. Did I use that word right?